Hello students, welcome to your home science class. Today we are going to do the 5th chapter of home science, that is influences on identity formation and emotional changes. Now, in this chapter we are going to learn about the various kinds of emotions that an adolescent have. Now as an adolescent, as a human being, what do you think are the emotions that you have? First of all, we have love, we have hatred, we have jealousy, we have anger. Now, the various emotions are anger. First of all, adolescents are very easily angered, right? So, anger is the first thing that you have during your adolescence. Now, during this time, adolescents get angry very frequently whenever they feel somebody is interfering in their matters, making fun of them, or they feel that nobody understands them. They become angered, frustrated, and irritated. The second emotions that adolescents have is fear. They are very easily scared of anything and almost everything, right? Now it creates situation which create fear is changed now. Previously adolescents used to fear many things, but now due to understanding and maturity, they carry no more fear in their minds. Being disapproved by their friends, not being accepted by society, not getting good marks. These are the various reasons of fear. Jealousy, definitely they are very easily, they feel jealousy towards other members of, other friends of theirs if they gain something better than them. Boys also, now boys and girls both get jealous regarding their opposite sex friends. Girls are usually considered more jealous. Most of the times it happens that girls are considered to be more jealous than boys. Boys also feel jealous with boys who is more handsome and smart. At this age, feeling of jealousy is very intense. They express their jealousy by bad mouthing, hurting, try to make these things difficult for that person with whom they feel jealous. Curiosity, adolescents are also very curious. They are very curious to know what is happening around them, what is happening in their friends' life. They are curious about reading books, new movies, etc. Affection is the feeling of love. Adolescents feel affection towards their parents, siblings, friends and relatives. Sometimes it appears that they love merely their friends more than their relatives. Most of the time, family relation during adolescence is not very cordial, that is not very good, and they have strained relations with their family members. Mood swings, adolescents often suffer from mood swings. That is, they are very happy at one moment and immediately in the next moment, all of a sudden they become very sad or very angry, right? So that is mood swing. Change of mood, very frequent change of mood. Attraction, they have a strong attraction towards the members of other sex. Opposite sex. Right, emotional control. Though adolescents to some extent learn to control the emotions, still they are vulnerable. They do not have full control over their emotions. They get very excited very easily. They get elated. Elated means extreme feeling of happiness, unhappy in certain situation. Adolescence is this part is very, very important. Why is adolescence considered to be a period of storm and stress? Firstly, the various reason behind storm and stress is rapid physical change, very fast physical change. Right, you are growing very fast. You are having puberty, and then you are having your menstrual cycle. Different parts of your body is growing up, and you do not know the reason why there is sudden so much of physical change in you. So that is a reason behind storm and stress. Second is emotional changes causing stress. Second is there are various emotional changes that you are encountering, right? Often, why is this thing happening? Because of hormonal changes. All of a sudden, you become very angry, and in the next moment, you are very happy. These are because of the rapid hormonal changes that is happening inside of you. Right. So due to physical change, emotionality of the young adolescent is greatly influenced. Due to hormonal secretion, the adolescent becomes restless and emotionally unstable. The adolescent is constantly irritated and is under pressure. The adolescent gets excited easily, experiences highs and lows of emotions frequently. Now, social change also causes stress. What is this social change all about? During adolescence, physically you grow up. but mentally you remain the same person. So as you grow up physically, the society often seems to think that you are grown up now. Now they expect change in your behavior, and their behavior towards you is also changed. A few months back, say, they used to love you, they used to cuddle you, right? All of a sudden, they expect mature behavior from you. Now, you don't understand the reason behind that. They start scolding you, telling you very frequently, you are grown up, why don't you do this, why don't you do that? So, all of a sudden, this strong social expectation from you is also a reason behind storm and stress, right? Acceptance by the peer. If you are not accepted in your friend circle, that also causes stress among the adolescents. So acceptance by the peers or friends is also very important. And if you are not accepted, then you are under stress. Worry about future, thinking about what's going to happen to my future. What stream am I going to take? What job opportunities will be open for me? How am I going to grow my career? What would be my career? All these things are a constant source of stress and storm for adolescents. Strong attraction towards opposite sex and their approval. You all of a sudden you start feeling greatly attracted to a certain member of the opposite sex. If you are accepted, if your attraction is reciprocated, then that's fine. If it is not, if you are disapproved, then that is also a feeling of storm and stress. Extreme and intense mental storm and stress. So it is very important that the family members they stay very close to the adolescents, taking care of their needs, trying to talk to them every day, trying to find out the difficulties that they are facing in their everyday life. If it does not happen, then the adolescent suffers a miserable life. Finally, searching for identity. Adolescent search for identity multiplies stress in him or her. Now he starts finding out his own identity. He tries to form his own identity other than the identity that he has received from his parents, from his family, right? These are the questions in his mind which cause a great worry and stress, tension at times in him. All these things combine and create feeling of storm. Early adolescence is thus called a period of storm and stress. Because of their changing attributes, adolescents sometimes are not able to accept their changed physical look. Mentally, they have a different picture of themselves. They want to look handsome, pleasant, presentable, so that they get approval and attention of peers and opposite sex members. But if they are not beautiful, if they are not handsome and smart, that is also a reason of storm and stress. So parents, teachers and adults can help them under such situation by hearing to them, by talking to them, by listening what they want to say, right? And not, of course, giving them lecture always. Trying to empathize with the situation is very essential. What is empathy? Sympathy is, say you heard something bad, you said, oh, this is very bad that happened to you. And empathy is, okay, this happened to you, this is very bad, we are with you. That is empathy. So empathizing is very, very important. And finally, it is important to make them understand that parents are their well-wishers and they are really concerned for them. Basic understanding should be developed among parents and adolescents. So this is all you have in this chapter. Please prepare questions like various emotions in adolescence and reasons of storm and stress during the period of adolescence. These are the only two questions that you may have from this chapter. Other than that, there is nothing else really very important from this chapter. That's all. Thank you for attending the class. Goodbye.